Welcome, everyone. Based on countless hours of research and independent studies, we have formulated and selected the best products of this year, saving you time scrolling through hundreds of internet websites and numerous trips to stores looking for that right product. We have compiled a list of the top recommended products. With great attention to detail, we have analyzed every product's value for the money spent, features and functionality, and also customer and expert reviews when we selected the best products. Spending a few minutes to watch this video about the top recommended products of the year will allow you to formulate a more decisive decision. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
If you share your home with your pet, the Bissell Lift-Off Floors & More Pet 2-in-1 Stick Vacuum is ideal for quick and easy cleaning. You'll be pleasantly surprised with the power packed into this lightweight 2-in-1 cordless vac that was designed with pet owners in mind. The lint strip is uniquely positioned to draw in loose fur. The swivel head maneuvers easily around chair legs and other obstacles, and the two-way folding handle makes it a cinch to take care of the fluff that sneaks under couches and tables. The on-off brush roll gives you extra pickup power on low-pile carpet and area rugs. Then switch it off with a quick click to take care of business on scruff-prone hardwood floors and laminates. The removable hand vac makes it quick and easy to tidy up stairs, upholstery, and more. Simply pop out the built-in crevice tool to clean out those comfy cushions and crumb-filled corners. When you're finished, fold the handle back for compact, convenient storage. The Bissell Lift-Off Floors & More Pet 2-in-1 Stick Vacuum for people and their pets.
This is the Dyson V6 Animal, the most powerful vacuum that is both lightweight and cordless. With 75% more brush bar power, it is ideal for deep carpet cleaning, but also underneath furniture, stairs, and up high. It is engineered to generate powerful cleaning performance throughout your home. The small, light motor has been developed specifically by Dyson to deliver powerful suction. The Dyson V6 Animal removes more dirt and dust from your floors. A mini motorized tool removes pet hair and ground-in dirt from furniture, cars, and tight spaces. It also comes with a mini soft dusting brush for delicate cleaning like computer keyboards, a combination tool for surfaces like kitchen counters, and a crevice tool for hard-to-reach places. A direct drive cleaner head provides 75% more brush bar power to drive bristles deep into carpet.